friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. Friends, today also I brought for you the exclusive varieties which I'm going to show you directly from the Kesaria Manufacturers Go Down. I'm at present at the Go Down. As you all know, we are into a summer season. Summer, when I talk about summer, February end to till June, July. If I talk about South, especially, it goes up to September, October. These are the collections, summer and summer season varieties. Cotton saree, cotton fabric goes very demanded and multiple huge profit you can see the business wise. So retailers, dealers, wholesalers, businesswomen, entrepreneurs, home based business, if you want to start, tie up with Kesaria Manufacturers. So subscribe to the channel, there's a bell icon, just click it. Today I'm going to show you at the directly manufacturers at the Go Down, only cotton segment from the sarees. Here is the beautiful cotton sarees of the segment. All the sarees have a photocopy color chart with a barcode. You can see a different multiple varieties of the collections. All these varieties are set to set, you can see. So we have a n number of collections over here, and from this segment the new stock is keep coming, and it's going selling all over the world, while the business retailers who are tie up with us already, they are purchasing. And if you want to start a small mini investment business or mini budget with the highest investment budget, you can directly choose either sari, lehenga, kurti, boutique, showroom, silk sarees. Options are there in the clothing business. The time and the interest, how much you give, you can be a woman entrepreneur and you can easily, successfully get into this business of clothing industry. So let's have a look of the samples. Beautiful color chart with the chocolate color with the greeny part with the parrot green color border. So this is a beautiful pattern. In this you can see a dotted yellow dotted pattern, and this the beautiful parrot green color combination. Rang Hansika is the code. This is with blouse, without blouse, it's mentioned in the sari. When you're purchasing from the saris from the Surat, you have to just find out the sari length before you purchase with blouse. With blouse 630 meters. Here is one more pattern of the leaf greeny pattern with the green with the yellow. Butterfly is the code with the Chanderi cotton with the running blouse of the mini butta floral base printed with a heavy border. Like this we have a beautiful saris of this bold printed of the saris with the floral base with the running blouse also you can purchase. If I talk about the unique designs, multi shade, dark purple color with beautiful Rani color, heavy bust, ikat base print combination of the floral, the sunflower base, the mini border. Andaz Apna is the code, meaning unique design with the latest exclusive designs. The Kesaria Manufacturers is giving you new collections in the sarees. If I talk about cotton fancy saree, we have a fancy. If I talk about the stone dotted, the stone has been fixed in the saree, the multicolor blue, Rani pink, again blue. The fancy tassels has been given over here. Shiv Niharika is the code. In this traditional look based, if you want it, the beautiful traditional base look based, such exclusive unique designs also you can purchase. So every pattern we have a different color charts. So if I talk about the evergreen batik print, the evergreen batik print is also the wine color base with the dark purple with the wine color, the combination which goes either the batik print is in the sari or in the kurti or in the chudidar material, all in the running based of these specially summer season cotton based collections. This is Shubham Batik is the code. This also you can find out. If I talk about the next pattern with the embroidering thread work, multi curving design of the beautiful heavy thick fabric of the running thread work has been done on this, the mini lace border which has been highlighted, which is Shri Shundari BP is the code. On this also you can see the soft malmal cotton, Chanderi cotton, the base of all these sarees. If I talk about the light settle color with the settle border, the baby pink with the rangoli pattern of the heavy thread work based. In this also you can find out the Pari rich look BP is the code. The rangoli base, the thread work with the mini greyish border. The silver jerry you can see here, especially for the office wear, these collections also you can purchase. So all these exclusive varieties you can find out, either it is a stonework with the embroidering thread work, either it is a bold batik print with the print come with the fancy tassel of the embroidering with the dotted stone, traditional based, multi print with multi-color, running cut blouse with the mini butta with the bold printed, dotted printed with heavy contrasted border sarees. All these exclusive, many more varieties. And here is also all the white base sarees with the exclusive collections of the leaf pattern, digital pattern, multicolor, heavy contrasted, multi design, multi print. All these exclusive new varieties Kesaria Manufactures are giving you at wholesale price, which starts from only just 95 rupees. If I talk about highest prices, 1000 rupees to 1500. This cotton printed sarees, today I have showed you around 250 to 300 rupees, the highest price around 900 rupees. I have not mentioned the prices, actual prices here, approximate prices I have mentioned here. If you want to know the exact price, please take a screenshot. You can talk to our online team. You can easily contact and find out, because many retailers are tie up with us and doing a business. So that's why I couldn't share in every video. I give a gentle reminder by sharing that this reason I won't share the actual prices. If you want to know the prices or many more segments related, you can talk to our executives. The numbers are on the screen. No compromise on no quantity, compromise on the quality of the even quantity. So that's what the manufacturers are giving, the fast moving collections. I also tell suggestions like to the retailers, the fast moving collections always season to season you can also add into your business to make your customers happy. Hope you enjoyed this cotton unique summer season varieties of latest collections. So please share with your friends, relatives, everyone. So easily you can do online shopping by sitting from your home. COD options are there, advanced payments, bookings also you can do. Worldwide we are providing you shipping, transport safe and securely. So next video we'll meet up with new more collections, business information video. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.